In this question, you have to identify the autosomal dominant trait. Option A, myotonic dystrophy. Now, it is an example of an autosomal dominant disorder. It means that a single copy of the mutated gene on an autosome can cause the disorder. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, hemophilia. It is incorrect as it is a sex linked recessive disorder. Option C, thalassemia. It is also incorrect as it is an autosomal recessive disorder. Option D, sickle cell anemia. It is also incorrect as it is also an autosomal recessive disorder and not dominant.